Okay, I'm kind of chuckling right now because I just made a video that's 15 seconds. And what I did is I took a drink of my kind of chocolate flavored coffee and I did 2 burps. And I did it the first 5 and 10 seconds of the video. And you know what? I uploaded it on YouTube. Sometimes it's like this. How do you get people to watch your YouTube channel or to click a link and buy or join something? Sometimes you just burp and then you upload it and say, look at it, watch the darn video. Quit bugging me. All right, that might be the success that you're looking for. All through burp, belch, blah. Okay? All right, well, I'm going to put my MTV cup, or is that a coffee cup? It's a mug, right? Let's put it down. Let's get down. Let's get down to biz. Okay, you want to do some biz with me? I sure hope so. Okay, let's talk about Live Good. All right, Live Good, Live Great. Came out about December 2022. Well, in about 2 weeks, it turns 2 years old. 1.6 million people have joined. $15 million a month is being purchased and sent worldwide in over 200 countries. And your boy here, Cory, man, for some reason, I'm just going up the scales. All right, I'm at 27 out of 1.6 million people on the leaderboard. And how do I do it being a smart bum with no experience? By just doing what I'm doing right now. I might do a video and I go like this. Guys, go to joincory.com. I bought this domain for $11 at GoDaddy. I bought these cards at Vistaprint for $25 on a street level. I just go, hey, you want to make some money or get healthy? Check out this video. Goodbye. Or maybe I make a video like this. It's 15 seconds and I burp. And at the end it says, joincory.com. Maybe it's a post on Facebook. Guys, you want to make money? You want to get rid of that big jelly giant Santa Claus stomach that maybe you're rocking? Click this and check it out. It can be that easy because the videos are already done. The company's in turnkey mode. If you got $49.95, guys, the website's there, wholesale, retail, shipping, handling. You got 90 days. You got 3 months to try any of our products. Even if you empty them out, send the package or container back to Jupiter, Florida, get your money back. Okay? This is the easiest opportunity I think that you're going to find that's affordable too. I almost feel guilty making money with Live Good because I don't even feel like I earn it. To sit and just say joincory.com goodbye while I'm sleeping, pooping, eating, brushing my teeth in, while I'm break dancing. Look, man, look at that. I'm break dancing in a Kiss t-shirt and I have a Friday the 13th hat on, a Friday the 13th keychain, and I can still make money and not even have a great haircut and a nice suit with a beautiful office in the background. No, those are Hot Wheels. That is Wonder Woman right there in a Kiss t-shirt. Yes. That is a Mr. Potato Head. Do you see right on my skateboard? That is Ace Frehley of Kiss as Mr. Potato Head. All right? Be yourself. If you're going to do videos, be yourself. If you're going to post online, be yourself. You don't have to be all stiffy and stuffy and write an email. To whom it may concern. Would you like to make money and earn too? Would you like to get healthy while getting wealthy? Well, I have an opportunity for you. And they'll give you an opportunity too. They're gonna delete. Okay? They're gonna yawn. All right? Email everyone like your buddy, like your mom. Hi, Mom. How are you? Would you like to earn money? Because, Mom, you look a little chubby after the holidays, so why don't you eat some Live Good products? And then your mom will come over. She's going to smack you with probably a fanny paddle. You guys remember? I'm born in the 60s. They had this piece of wood called a fanny paddle. You bought it like at a Walmart, Kmart, Disco, whatever, TG and Y. They take that board and they smack you with it. Go tell your mom or dad that, or go tell your wife, guys, that it looks like she could use some Live Good products. Okay? It's much easier to just say, hey, check out this link. You know, I was looking at this link, honey, joincory.com. Maybe you want to look into it and then run. And if your wife wants to earn money, great. Or maybe you. All right? Maybe us guys, we're watching too much football. We're eating tacos, Doritos. We're eating pancakes. Lord knows we're eating pie. Right now it's December 1st. My gosh, we still have another 30 days of just crazy, fattening, monstrous calories going in our guts. So if you want to lose some weight and save some money, why don't you look into Live Good? Seriously. And if you want to earn money by doing screw off videos or just emailing people, I'm your boy. Joincory.com. You got $49.95. Be an affiliate. It's $40 one time. That's it. $9.95 a month. If you have $100, $99.95. Join for the year because you get 12 months for the price of 10. That way, for the next year, you're a member and an affiliate. You have none to worry about the next 12 months except how to invite people to a link. And I want you to copy what I do. Please, it's working right now. Whatever I'm doing seems to work. It's cheap, it's fun, it's easy. It's all based on email and posting on social media. If you want to do a video, great. If not, don't worry about it. You don't have to do what I'm doing now. I'm just chit-chatting on a webcam. Or if you have a cell phone. Hi, this is Cory. Would you like to make some money? Okay. Look, I even have Farrah Fawcett. Can you see my phone? Do you see the screensaver? That's right. In a Kiss t-shirt. Kiss t-shirt. Jason hockey mask. I got Farrah 1976 poster as my screensaver. I should probably be locked up. But let's get back to biz. I'm pretty sure you want to make money online. And guys, if you can make $100 to $500 online, in my opinion, disclaimer, I think you can make $5 to $10 grand online because it's all about duplicating. It's all about just showing people that might sign up in your business how to have fun. Make business cards for $25, $30. How to get a domain name for $11 at GoDaddy. How to join LiveGood for $49.95. They have $100. Let's get you in for the year. And then from there, I want you to go to Linktree and just put in some opportunities like I've done. And I'm going to show you this. And all my information is below the video, by the way, or wherever you're watching this video. Okay, but everything I do is based upon setting up one time, just inviting people to a link to watch a video. Video does all my recruiting and training. I just do these videos because I feel guilty earning money by not doing anything. Okay, at least if I'm doing this and putting my hands up in a Kiss t-shirt, it makes me feel like I'm on stage yelling at people. Get off my lawn. I feel like I'm sitting there on my porch with a beautiful coffee mug with MTV on it, watching people walk on my grass. Okay? But no. We want people to just open up your email and click something to watch something. We want people to just scrolling on Facebook, scrolling on social media, and they might see your ad and click it and link. All right, just click that link. Okay, so let me shrink up. Okay, these are my business cards. See how easy they are? Look, they're even the same. I invite people to CoryDraper.com or join. Oh, whoop, wrong one. I go to CoryDraper.com. And let me just show you what it looks like, by the way. This is free. It's just called Linktree. Anyone can go to it. Just Google Linktree. Sign up free. See the logo right there? Now you can buy backgrounds and you can upgrade. But guys, for free, you can just add opportunities like I've done. In my case, LiveGood. Look, people go to CoryDraper.com and they click LiveGood. And check it out. It goes right to the capture page I was telling you about. All right, we've signed up 1.6 million people. This exact page. All right. Now, if you want to join LiveGood, watch this little video, put in your name and email, click reserve my position, then go to your email and open up the LiveGood, email and join from there. And if you don't want to join, then at least relax for the next 30 days. You'll get one email per day for a month. But put in your name and your email address. And you guys, you can opt out anytime. You're not going to get spammed and you're not going to be put on other lists. This is just if you're on the fence and you want more information about LiveGood other than my videos, Google searching, watch this video here. It's great. It's our CEO, Ben Glinsky, talking about the opportunity. But like I said, if you want to join, put in your name and email, click reserve my position, and let's get you in. Let's get you on board. All right, $49. You got $50, you get 5 cents back. 5 cents. You know what you can do with 5 cents? I don't know, but you got 5 cents. You can put it in your pocket. All right. If you got some sense, or maybe some sense where you can smell, all right, that's good too. But I'll tell you what, if you got $49.95, this is probably the best opportunity in 2025. We blew doors in 2023. No one even came close in 2024. All right, when you go ahead and just go to like a Trust Pilot or just Google search the results, the stats, the status, the well-being and nice pats on the back, the beautiful products we have, you're not going to beat LiveGood. Guys, most traditional online network or MLM-based businesses are losing people left and right because it's just too expensive. You can't buy products that are overinflated, and then you're not even allowed to sell them publicly. LiveGood's not that. We're a wholesale company. For $10 a month, you buy everything wholesale. Now, you can go to a store and retail. You can go to Amazon if you have Cory's Gym. Maybe you got a health food store. Maybe you got the back trunk of a Impala. But it's up to you. You can buy the products for wholesale and resell them, you bet. You can retail them. Or if you just want to buy wholesale and put them in your mouth and poop them out your butt, people do that. But if you want to earn money, guys, it's $40 one time for life. Two $20 bills. All right, 2020. This represents two 10s. Okay, 40. All right, there, $40 one time. That's it. You're an affiliate for life. You do not have to buy products. You do not have to have an auto feed, an auto ship, and then get your credit card dinged every month, $500, so you can make a commission of $500. Okay, we're not that company. If you buy our products, use them for 3 months. Just get them back to Jupiter, Florida's distribution center, and you get your money back. Okay, if I have the organic coffee right now and I drink the whole thing empty, I just send back the empty container for a couple bucks and I get my full refund. No questions asked. You can't beat that, guys. That's one hell of a guarantee. We have hats, we have shirts, we have cool stuff. Just go to joincory.com. Let's just keep this simple, okay? joincory.com. That'll lead you right to that capture page. And go ahead and put your name and email in because I want you to collect those 30 emails because you can read them and maybe use them to your advantage to recruit if you're going to join me in my business. Because why try to reinvent the wheel? The emails that LiveGood sends out are awesome. So go ahead and get those saved. And then when you go to email someone, maybe you can take that information, change it, of course, make them your own. But go to joincory.com. And like I said, go to my link tree too, because you can see my other opportunities. All right. Legacy is just great education along with traffic authority. Gmail. You want your Gmail to be an autoresponder for cheap? I use GetMass. If you're looking at artificial intelligence, look into Nowsite. If you want to email like a madman like me, go to my lead gen. But guys, right there at the top, welcome to LiveGood. Just click it. Go ahead and watch that little video there. Say hi to this guy. Say hi to this couple here. And then put in your name and email address. And let's rock, man. Let's get you going before the new year. Why wait till January 1st to say, Happy New Year, watch football, eat some snacks and leftovers, and then say January 2nd, I'm going to diet and make money. Let's do it now. Why wait? Be 30 days ahead of the game because it's December 1st as I sit here producing the video. So I'm not going anywhere, guys. I'm a big fan of LiveGood. Okay, so get a hold of me. If you need something, this smiley little face here, go on my Facebook page. You'll find it. All my info's below the video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel somewhere. All the videos pop up by my head when I wrap it up. But you guys know how to subscribe to YouTube. And just bookmark my Facebook page. That way you can just go, and if you need something, I'm not shy, guys. Inbox me for real. Okay, I'm not too busy. I'm not on an island, and I'm not on the phone solving crime. Okay, I make time for people, especially if you're kind enough to give me the last 13 minutes and 50 seconds of your life by watching this video, okay? All right, peace and love, and thanks for your time, and hopefully you'll watch my videos coming up. All right, take care, guys. See you soon. Bye.